Hey everyone, good morning. Today we have one more JavaScript challenge. So this is the input. So I want the get the output like this way. Okay, let's jump into the code. So now I'm taking loop for loop here for let I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, and I plus plus. Okay, within this I'm taking initially let line equal to empty string. I'm taking initially empty string. So after that, within this I'm taking another loop. Okay, let j equal to 1. Okay, and j less than or equal to I. Finally j plus plus. So here I'm taking line within the empty string. I pass a star. Okay, now I'm using console.log pass a line. Okay, I'm saving. I'm opening terminal window, clear console. Now I'm running. Yeah, you can get the output. So this method we can also implement using repeat method. This method also we can implement repeat method. I commented this one. So now I'm taking for let I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, here I'm passing console log simply within the string dot repeat method. Here I'm using dot repeat method. Within that pass a I. Okay, I'm saving. Now I'm clear console. Yeah, you can get the same output. Okay, you can get the same output. Here I'm using dot repeat method. If you want without using dot repeat method, this way we can follow. Okay, uh, thank you guys, thanks for watching.